Ensure the inputs, the eye icon here on the track for mic input 3 is green. If not, click the eye icon on the track. This will enable the microphone to be heard through Pro Tools. If you're using two microphones, input 3 and 4, ensure that the eye icon is green for mic input 4 track as well. Then ensure the input is also turned on and green for the recording tracks. If using two microphones here as well, turn it on for recording input 3 and 4. You should now see input levels appearing on the Scarlett and the corresponding faders in Pro Tools. If not, check your audio signal workflow before continuing. So go to your mix window here, ensure mic input 3, that its input is input 3, and for mic input 4, the input is 4. Then input the video file into Pro Tools Session, go to File, Import Video, navigate to your AAF exports file located within your exports folder on your media drive, click into the Avid Media Files folder, and locate the MXF video mixdown file. This is the file that has the extension .mxf at the end of it. If a dialog box appears asking about changing the frame rate or start time code, click OK. And then select Start of Session for where you want the video placed in the timeline. Using the Foley cue sheet, you'll go through Pro Tools Session and create markers. Click the Add Marker button by clicking the plus here at the upper left timeline area. Create markers to easily identify each Foley cue to be recorded. Drag and drop the 3 beeps file from the clip list into the 3 beeps track if it isn't already in there, and you'll align the end of the 3 beeps file to your first marker. Hit the spacebar to play back the video for the Foley artist to see the action and ensure the 3 beep file is timed correctly. So that's where the 4th beep would occur, is when the action should start. And make sure that your record tracks, recording input 3 and 4, are also record enabled, so Pro Tools records onto those tracks. Record enable Pro Tools by clicking on the record button across the top of the edit window. Once the record button is clicked, it should start blinking. This means that Pro Tools is ready to record once the spacebar is hit. Hit the spacebar to start recording. Listen and watch the video to see if the Foley fits the visuals. Hit the spacebar to stop recording once the Foley is completed. If the recording file is no good due to poor timing, levels, or other reasons, just simply delete the file and record enable Pro Tools to record again. To play back and hear recorded Foley, you're going to turn off your inputs on track so that the eye icon is no longer green. Then the playback the recorded Foley file to ensure it matches the visual in both sync and sound. If you're not hearing playback for some reason, over in your mix window, ensure that the outputs are going to the mix and that the mix is going to your speakers. If the Foley recording is good, double-click the recorded audio file and rename it to match the marker name. Once renamed, click the bottom portion of the audio file and drag it down onto the Foley numbered tracks below. Depending on the Foley marker cue, more than one sound effect may need to be reproduced and recorded at this moment. Continue to record Foley until all markers have been recorded. If needed, go through markers again to complete a second pass of other Foley that is needed to fill the scene to sound more realistic.